Good morning, guys. So today some friends and I are going to go out for a little bit of a hike, kind of waterfall hunting, I suppose. My friend asked on a Facebook status if anyone was down about a week ago, and I was like, hey man, I ain't got nothing to do other than pack my entire house. But I'm halfway done that, so, you know, I do have a lot of extra time, being unemployed and all, so why the hell not? Why not go waterfall hunting? That sounds great. So right now I'm currently just in the process of making a little bit of tea and some juice. Speaking of tea, I should take these out. Apparently green tea is really sensitive. I don't know. Tea's new to me. It's not my thing, but I'm trying it out. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of juicing here. Yesterday, my mom helped me dig a bunch of roots out of her garden. Look at how amazing. Ugh. So excited about all this. There's 2 different kinds of potatoes, carrots, beets, onions. There's a couple little green peppers. Don't mind the mess in the back, of course, but yeah, so excited. All the fruits and vegetables lately. I've been trying really hard to stick with it and just be more healthy, so yeah, let's get juicing. This fruit juice is gonna have a tiny little bit of ginger, some apricot, I don't know, cucumber, oranges, carrots, celery, lemon, and some strawberries. So lots of nutrients, gotta get them in. It's gonna be great. Let's do this. Would you just look at all that beautiful colors? There's a lot of people that kind of hate on juicing because of losing all the fiber, which I totally understand. I get it, I do. But I still have a lot of fiber in my diet, so I mean, and I'm still eating whole fruits and vegetables as well as juicing, so I am still getting the fiber. I just kind of compost this stuff for now, but it's just a really quick and easy way for me to get it all in real fast, and that can't be a bad thing. It really can't.
If anything, he just wants to trip me up so he gets my seat in the car again.
Oh my goodness, you're so right. You saw my feet, woman.
You're going down. You're gonna trip me down the hill, the really steep hill. It's not very nice of you. And we're gonna go see a lake. That's beautiful. Yeah. Super excited. It's like freezing though.